You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this very interesting word. I kind of like this word, and clarify the pronunciation. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. British English pronunciation. Pantomime. Pantomime. American English pronunciation, the way it's pronounced in the US. Pantomime. Pantomime. Pantomime, American English, or pantomime, British English pronunciation. Can you hear the difference? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.